Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can clone apps on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy process, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you can simply get to the app library and simply long press on the application that you want to clone just like this and drag this application back to your home page. And like this, I have two Instagram on my phone, but if I open any of those Instagram, it will simply open the same account, right? So I want a different account on my other clone app. So what I'm going to do is simply get to the Safari. First of all, I'm going to remove this and then open my Safari, and from here tap on the search bar and then start typing instagram.com. So here you can see I am on the login page of Instagram like this. So now what we're going to do is tap on this share icon that you can see right here. And after doing that, here, scroll down a bit, you can see the option of add to home screen. All you have to do is tap on it, and here tap on add on the top right corner right here. And here you can see we have gotten ourselves a clone app. So if you simply tap on this clone app, here you can see we will get to the login page of Instagram just like this. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.